Hello everyone, this is Dr. J. Anita Hepzibah, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video lecture series, we have been discussing about the use of enzymes in different applications or in textile industry. In the first video, we had a very brief introduction and then classification and also the different enzymes which are used for cotton pretreatments. Now, the enzymes which are used for protein fibers are discussed in the video. Protein fibers in the sense for silk and wool. We know that silk is a protein fiber and it contains 22 to 30% of sericin, which is a gummy protein, and this has to be removed, which is it is a protective layer, natural protective layer, and it is very essential for the silkworm, and the sericin must be removed before the silk can be woven into fabric. This removal of sericin and that is the naturally available gummy protein in the silk is called as degumming of silk. So degumming is very essential to improve the silk's lusher and the look and the texture, and also it will also enhance the dye uptake in the silk. So without proper degumming, silk fabric would not appear as a silk what we get. So in that sense, degumming of silk is very essential. Traditionally, degumming is done by using harsh alkali treatments. So which will also have a compromise on the silk's very delicate structure, and hence enzymatic degumming is a very good alternative. Enzymatic degumming of silk, how it works. First, the essential point to be noted is it works with selective hydrolysis. It only acts on the the particular enzyme which we use, that is protoelectric enzymes such as papain, which is obtained from the papaya. It is very much designed or else prepared to target and break down the sericin protein alone without harming the silk fibroin. So that is one of the major advantage, selective hydrolysis. And then papain's role. What is the role of papain? So this papain, or it's a very preferred enzyme which will act only on the sericin, and also works under very mild conditions. You need not add more harsh chemicals, and it also preserves the quality of the fabric, silk fabric, and maintains the natural strength. And when you go by enzymatic degumming, the silk what we get is a very superior quality. Environmental and quality advantages of enzymatic degumming. First one is reduced chemical use. We are not using any harsh chemical, leading to less polluted by wastewater and a reduced environmental impact compared to traditional methods. And energy efficiency also very good, very less temperature, very less pH required, resulting in energy savings. And the quality of the silk what we get is also of very superior quality. Next, about wool, wool scouring and enzymatic anti-felting treatment. So this raw wool, actually it contains very large amount of grease, dirt and vegetable matter that must be removed before it can be processed into textiles. When you touch a sheep, you can just get that harsh feel. Okay, this cleaning process is called as covering, and traditional methods use again harsh chemicals and detergents. This enzymatic treatment utilizes proteases and lipases, which offer a very gentle pre-treatment on the wool, and it removes all the impurities. These enzymes break down the proteins and fats, ensuring it gets hydrolyzed during the washing process. So wool scouring can also be done by chemicals, but when we use enzymes, we can maintain the quality of wool. Enzymatic wool bleaching is also a very gentle approach for brighter wool. Wool has to be made brighter to apply some good shades to the wool. It has to be made brighter. Okay, so that can be done by chemicals. Normally hydrogen peroxide is used, but we also use enzymes for wool bleaching. So protease enzyme is a very good enzyme which is used for modifying the wool fiber, making it more receptive to bleaching agents like hydrogen peroxide. So it's a pre-treatment for bleaching. So it enhances the whiteness index, less damage, and also the outcome wool which is obtained as an outcome is undamaged wool, and also the feel is also very good. So in that sense, enzymes can also be used for protein fibers for silk and wool. In the case of silk, for degumming and bleaching. For in the case of wool, it is for scouring and bleaching, and also for anti-felting. Thank you.